In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record audio in Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, designing a social media post, or simply putting together a digital storytelling project, Canva's audio recording feature can bring your designs to life with a personal touch. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Canva and open the design project you're currently working on, or you can start a new one if you're feeling creative. Once you have your design open, look to the left side of the screen where you'll see a panel filled with various tools and resources that Canva offers. Here, you'll want to locate the Uploads tab. Clicking on Uploads will bring up a new set of options related to the media you can add to your project, such as images, videos, and most importantly for us, audio. After clicking on Uploads, direct your attention to the top of this section where there's an option that says Record Yourself. This is the gateway to recording directly within Canva. By selecting this, Canva will prompt you to enable microphone access. This process may vary slightly depending on your web browser, but generally you'll need to click Allow in a pop-up that appears asking for permission to use your microphone. This is a crucial step to ensure your voice is captured beautifully and seamlessly. Once you've granted Canva permission to use your microphone, you'll notice a record button appearing on your screen. This is your cue to start recording. Before you begin, do a quick test run to make sure your environment is quiet and your microphone is positioned well to capture your voice clearly. When you're ready, calm any nerves, take a deep breath and hit record. As you speak, you can monitor the input levels to ensure the audio is being captured at a suitable volume. If at any point you need to pause or restart, Canva allows you the flexibility to do so, which is perfect for producing a polished and professional recording. When you're done with your audio clip, simply stop the recording, and Canva will automatically save it to your project files. From here you can drag and drop your freshly recorded audio into your design. Canva even provides editing tools if you need to trim or adjust the audio to fit your project perfectly. There you have it. Recording audio in Canva is a straightforward process that can add significant value and engagement to your designs. Whether you're explaining a concept, narrating a story, or just adding a personal message, this feature can help you connect with your audience in a new and exciting way. Happy designing, and I can't wait to see the creative ways you incorporate audio into your projects.